How to activate a Cricket phone from Walmart. First, remove the phone from its packaging and ensure all components are present. Charge the phone fully before starting the activation process. If your Cricket phone came with a SIM card insert into the phone, usually it's pre-installed. Press the power button to turn on the phone. Go to the Cricket Wireless activation page, which is www.cricketwireless.com. Enter your phone number, order number, or Cricket Wireless account information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. If prompted, enter the ICC ID number located on the SIM card or phone box. Then, for manual activation by phone, call Cricket Wireless customer service at 1800 Cricket, and by another phone number, call at 1800 274 2538 and follow the prompts to activate your device. Thanks for watching.